Proactive network defense is built on centralized visibility and formalized disaster playbooks, replacing ad hoc reactions with structured execution. Surviving a breach means aligning high-level business impacts directly with low-level infrastructure rules. In incident response, hope is not a strategy. Network defense starts with complete visibility. This is a baseline requirement dictated by compliance frameworks like NIST, ITIL, and ISO 27002. This diagram illustrates diverse system components feeding data into a central SIEM platform to aggregate event, access, and security logs. But this centralized data is useless unless every device clock is perfectly synchronized using the network time protocol. Without timestamp-accurate logs flowing into a central repository, correlating anomalies and detecting threats across the network is technologically impossible. When an anomaly is flagged, the organization transitions from passive logging to active defense. This process is managed by the Computer Security Incident Response Team, or CSIRT. The CSIRT executes a strict four-phase lifecycle: preparation, detection, containment and eradication, and finally, post-incident activity. Because every second counts during an intrusion, pre-existing policies mandate exact communication methods and name the specific individuals who will take the lead. Ad hoc decisions fail under pressure. Establishing designated leaders and communication chains prior to a breach is the only way to ensure rapid containment. Securing this infrastructure and staffing response teams requires significant budget. Organizations justify this investment through a business impact analysis. A business impact analysis calculates the specific financial damage of downtime. It tallies the costs of work backlogs, lost profits, SLA penalties, legal fees, and public relations damage. This math justifies the business continuity plan, which dictates exactly how the organization maintains its normal day-to-day operations during an incident. While the continuity plan focuses on business operations, the disaster recovery plan defines the granular, technical steps for safeguarding and restoring specific personnel, data, and network assets. Technical recovery strategies are never arbitrary. They are strictly dictated by the quantified cost of operational failure. Evaluate your own readiness. Verify if your operational pipeline is backed by a centralized CIEM and a fully tested business impact analysis. Align your business strategy with your technical protocols. It is the most reliable way to ensure your organization remains connected, your assets remain visible, and your infrastructure remains secure.